you want your PPC campaigns to deliver real results, negative keywords are a must. They help stop your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches, which means you're not wasting money on clicks that won't convert. By filtering out unrelated terms, you make sure your ads reach people who are actually interested in what you offer. This leads to higher click-through rates and a better quality score in Google Ads, both of which can lower your costs and improve your ad performance. Regularly review your search terms reports to spot keywords that don't fit your goals and add them to your negative keyword list. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can also help you find potential negatives before you launch. With the right negative keywords, you'll boost conversions and get more from your ad spend.